going to start with our 3-degree guarantee because it's one of our favorite things here at CBS 46. Our forecast high temperature for today was 95. The actual high was 95. We got it exactly right within those 3 degrees. So another $50 so far for the month of September. We are 3 for 3. And we are up to $150 for Gateway Center in Atlanta. We are watching the tropics closely. Obviously, Dorian, a big concern. But I just want to show you what else is out there because Tropical Storm Gabriel churning in the Atlantic. Then we have 2 systems back to back that have about a 20% chance of development in the next 48 hours. The one off the coast of Africa has a higher chance of development over the next 5 days. So we are approaching the peak of hurricane season, which is why there are so many systems we are watching in the tropics. And the timing is not good because we are knee deep in Dorian that is bringing tropical storm force winds currently to the South Carolina coast. Here's a look at current wind gusts across South Carolina, North Myrtle Beach and Georgetown, seeing 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts right now. That's well over tropical storm force strength. Then as we head into North Carolina, 30 to 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. New Bern, about 44-mile-an-hour wind gusts right now. As Dorian gets closer to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, those winds will increase. There's the eye of the hurricane, only about 50 miles off the coast of South Carolina, now moving well east of Myrtle Beach, very close to North Carolina here. It will continue on that trajectory, making a landfall, or at least coming close to making landfall, the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Lots of rain, even some tornado warnings here across eastern North Carolina, with heavy downpours across South Carolina as well. There's that storm moving along the Outer Banks, expected to produce very close to, if not hurricane winds, right along the coast from South Carolina all the way to North Carolina until tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now nice and dry over our area. But again, we are watching Dorian and the severe weather it's producing in the Carolinas. For more on that, we're going to head over to Ella Dorsey.
I want to show you guys video this morning coming out of North Myrtle Beach. This is a man, he took this video going out to check on his properties for hurricane damage, and he spotted a tornado. Incredible. And you usually don't see tornadoes because they're rain wrapped in hurricanes. So this is also it's just incredible. Okay, guys, but it's not abnormal. When you have strong hurricanes, one of the biggest risks is that you see rotation in these storms. Want to show you the actual storm reports today. Up to 11 tornado reports from North Myrtle Beach into North Carolina. The reason for that is the strongest side of a hurricane is the northwest quadrant, and you can see that's what's moving through North Carolina right now. Those heavy bands, the reds and oranges, often have rotation in them, so it is going to be a threat. Tornadoes will be a threat for North Carolina and even potentially Virginia overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. Really scary stuff to be dealing with hurricane force winds, heavy downpours, and potentially also tornadoes. Jennifer?
And we've got a really nice night ahead. I feel a little guilty talking about our beautiful weather when Dorian, not very far away, producing the heavy downpours, the winds, and the storm surge. It will be a little cooler tonight, though, so keep that in mind. We were in the mid-70s last night. We'll actually reach the 60s tonight with a low of 68 in Atlanta, but tomorrow we're going to do it all over again. Lots of sunshine, lots of heat as we get up to the 90s. Right around 93 tomorrow, 96 on Saturday and Sunday, 97 on Monday. So big bottles of water, lots of sunscreen, sunglasses, and that air conditioner. You need that air conditioner. It's going to stay hot over the next 7 days.